Hey folks, this is it's a little different than what I was usually doing as far as the build, but I wanted to share a kind of like an unboxing of a couple folks that I found through TikTok. That it's Chunky Catfishing, and he fishes the Potomac in a pretty nice boat. What Chunky Cats does is he fishes the Potomac mainly for catfish, and he does these Santee style rigs, these Santee Cooper style rigs. And I had bought a set of them, and I think that's what's in this green envelope. But he also runs like a nightly kind of raffle for some of the rods that he customizes, and they look awesome. They shine under the black light, and they have a lot of reflective bits of it. And I haven't won a rod, but I did win like 2 other sets of his rigs. So I have tons of these rigs now, and I'm gonna take them out and fish them. Yep, these are the ones I ordered. So these first ones that I ordered are the new brigs, and they're these bright orange. And so the way that you fish these is you put a weight on one end, and the rest of this floats, and it has a bunch of rattles. And he's custom designed the chambers in here on all these different ones. So I'm assuming they each have different rattles to go with. Now he is, like I said, on the Potomac. I'm off of the Wolf River here. I just want to show these off one more time, a little better and a little slower without opening them at the same time. So these are the ones I originally had purchased, the new brigs. And I really like these. I liked how bright they were, and I was hoping that that would go in my favor in the river. And I also noticed he sent these little spinners, and I think these go on a line up here. So these will spin and rattle and maybe put a bead between them. And then at the end of this leader line, that's where you tie in the weight, and then from the weight it goes to your main line. So new brig. I super dig the orange, and I don't know why. It's not just because I come from Texas A&M area. The other one that I love is these Red Octobers, and I just wanted to give you guys a chance to like really look at the artwork. I don't know how to explain the rattles as far as like how customized the chambers are inside of them. I am not about to challenge to cut them open and find out what they look like. Here's Cookie, and these came with stickers as well. They'll probably go on my cooler once I get the boat built. I've got a couple of these as well. Mason, the Mason rig here. So I know the Bella rig is with his daughter. That's one of these here. So I'm not sure if Mason is his son, although it wouldn't surprise me. They've got this rig. There are 2 rigs that I don't have. Out of all these rigs that I've just recently bought or got through the raffle. The Patriot rig, I still need to get the Stinger rig. And let's see. The Warden rig, the Naughty rig, but there's another one. Isn't the George Lopez rig? That one I wanna get as well. Let's get one that you guys haven't seen, is the Honey Hole. Don't these just look awesome? And I'll probably start with the Mason rig this weekend. Is my guess. And let me show you just like, this isn't even all of them. Look at all these. Look at all these. I could lose one a day and I'd be fine. Man can only fish so many rods, right? I've only got a couple right now. So yeah, he's partnered with Catch the Fever. He also like is showing like no-fly zone fishing, which is where he gets his eels. Because he fishes mainly with eels out of the Potomac, and I want to say they're natural out there. And then his website is chunkyrigs.com. So anyway, I thought these were awesome. I just want to share them with you guys. Get out there, go join one or two of his streams. He's great to talk to. He's a wealth of information. Him and his fiance are awesome. Just really nice, honest people. And I hope you guys have a great Friday coming up and a good weekend. And I will see you guys soon.